recover Uber account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Uber app on your device. Here, click on Get Started at the bottom. Then, you'll find all these options for logging. Simply select the one you have logged in earlier with, which is your mobile number, Google account, or with email. You can simply click on Continue with email. And then I'm going to simply type in my email and then press on Next. And now, if you know the password, you can add or digit code will be sent to your mail. In your mail, copy the code and then paste it in the Uber app. After you have pasted the Uber app code, you will be logged in without password if you even have forgot your password. And this is how to recover Uber account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.